You don't really get an extra boost from from hyper striking like the other games. Oh my god, I actually made it! I don't know how, but I did. I don't remember what time I got on the PB here. I keep having a feeling that it's something like a 37 for some reason. It's probably not, it's probably like a 43. But I'm very happy to get out of Elden, because I don't even know how I even survived the glitch. That's better. The cutscene skip doesn't work on PS2. I knew it. .203. Pokemon. Interesting. I wonder. I don't know. I haven't seen that much of the GC Pokemon games. I don't know if they'd be decent. Oh my god, I forgot. You have to push X. Already forgot that. And we've only just started. Oh god. Why am I so bad? Please just get the PDA out. Stupid non-bag. Hi there, Mastoids. Playing some good old Rap 1. As long as I land on there, it's okay. Sub 5. Nice. I haven't really played Pokemon. I played Pokemon Stadium, and that game just bored me to tears. After only playing it for like 5 minutes. Yeah, the Ratchet games are very broken. I'm not even gonna say especially on PS2. say that I would say that the PS2 versions are more broken, the PS2 games are more broken, but the thing is that the PS3 Rat games are also glitchy in their own right. The only thing that sucks is that I'm kind of a mixed bag in the community. I mean, some people like me, but others don't. I mean, I know that's human nature, but I'm a very mixed person in the community. Oh god, go! $5.49. I mean, I'm kind of a major person in the community. I'm very good at the third game, as the title states. But yeah. Nice mind. You're getting good, my boy. Okay, just gotta clip through this wall. Oh, I almost failed it, but it's okay. Because I didn't. $6.35.5. An old rack runner that I was friends with called Yuri. He called him Mind, so I called him Mind, and nowadays sometimes I call him Mind, other times Armin. I mean, I don't even know how his actual username would be pronounced. I always pronounce it Fearmind. I just don't know how it's pronounced. That's because only 2 people have ever called him that. Oh my god, I switched weapons. Oh god. That might have been too early. But at least I can now do this. I mean, I save and load because it's easier. $8.18.5. Not the worst run so far. Of course it's not good, but that Velden recovery. Whew. I can save a lot of time here. What? Channel? Is that what it says? Oh god! Just die, please, rat face. I died, but I'm probably as long as I get it quick enough, I can still save time for my PB. Okay, there we go. I need to get that first try, really. Okay, please land it. Okay, thank you. The Umbrus checkpoint. So annoying. $10.09.5. I like one thing that's really cute about mine, which I really do like, is that he does runs, yet he still chats to me. That I just love that. Luckily, unlike mine, if I get the checkpoint, I won't care. Had some bad movement here last time. So let's not get bad movement. Or nearly get lost, I should say. Okay. Got to be careful here. That bomb followed me. And it actually helped me. Okay, I have no idea how to do this bit. Doing that for safety. $12.57.5. Oh, also, I want to try out robots. I've heard it's decent, and it even looks a bit like this game. I mean, your main weapon is even a wrench in that game. Okay, please. Okay, thank you. Okay, made it. I did some weird strats here last time. So I'm doing something a little bit more logical. Have you played Charlie and the Chocolate Factory recently? As well? So I am gonna buy. I might buy that game after Christmas if I don't get it. You play Robot? Wait, Robots or Charlie? Robots, I assume. I've never played Robots before. Wait, is there an Xbox though? I'm not sure. I'm gonna buy the Chinese version anyway. $15.32. I have no idea, mind. I wish I did have an idea, but I don't. Okay, I missed this quite a few times in my PB. Oh god. I have to get in so much further than I thought. You're still a Nazi, Kirby. Why am I out here? You're still a Nazi, Kirby. YTP Kappa. You can probably jump over those, but it's best to get the Magna Boots through this level. I mean, you could get them as Ratchet. I don't know if that'd be faster. Did lose a little bit of time here, at least compared to what I could get. Nice. 712.5. Yeah, Clank's the robot. Yeah, New Star Wars has actually got positive reviews, so it seems to live up to the hype. Although, reminder, hype is stupid. Although we all get hype for stuff, but it is kind of stupid. Okay, I failed this SI miserably in my PB. Okay, missed it already. Okay, that could have been a lot worse though. This proves I suck at the game. I have no idea where the checkpoint trigger is, so I can't skip it. At least I thought you could skip it. So that's what I can see. Yeah, I know you can. Yeah, I hate that train too. $18.31. Oh god. That probably is true. Hey! Hey! The way he says hey is weird. Oh, the boat is here. I'm not making the same mistake as last time. He should be coming. Oh god, there's still a guy to kill. Okay, I'm on the boat, good. I don't know if I lost more time from that than falling off this boat in my last time. I haven't actually watched any Star Wars movies in ages. coming? Yep, he's coming. It's not out till tomorrow. Well, at least in this country and the US. Even if it is out now here, what is American? You are not American, Mastoys. You're a stupid Brit just like me. Kappa. Did I even lose time from that bad movement? I like it when you make a mistake, yet you lose no time whatsoever. Yeah, you were wrong, so get wrecked. That's not entirely true, though. I mean, in Japan, it doesn't come out till Friday. But then again, none of us are dropping Oz, except this game. I like how he says hi hi, that is actually very cute, kawaii, whatever. Oh, I should have read the Eudora clip thing. I was wondering if you were trying to say pal. Oh my god, you're supposed to shoot with this button. Whoops, 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 whoops. That was my own fault, I was charging and not, you know, shooting. Okay, where's the ship? Ship, 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 ship! Oh god, where is it? There it is.
Objection!
2346. You are right, FS. I died, obviously. I died a million times the next section of my PB. I mean, I'm gonna buy ammo for this.
I see.
Which is a big waste of time, but... Shut up! I want it, because I'm scared. But this area, this part of the level really messed me over in my PB. I hate those guys. I hate all of these guys, really. Oh my... I don't even know how far ahead I am compared to my PB. But now we have, you know, Hoven. I think I lost 5 minutes here in my PB. And if I didn't, I still lost a few minutes. Okay, have fun with tennis. Oh god. I just can't keep my finger wiggling along for long enough. Oh my god. I need to... I am just so bad at this trick. Oh my... Ugh. Oh! I just can't keep my finger wiggling for long enough. Okay, can I make it? Okay, I made it. It is a very weird trick. I don't really get it. Or you do spam inputs. I try and do them as fast as possible, mind. And I try and control where I'm going. But it's hard. I mean, Raikari taught me how to do that trick. 28-44. That was bad, but... At least I'm still a million years ahead of my PB. At least I only lost 1 minute. I also lost a ton of time here. Okay, I got it this time. Thank you. $30-14 and a half. Yeah, you are not bad at this game. I am. I've been running it as long as you. Oh, got it. Still not 100% used to this menu. This skip scares me, but it's not really that bad.
Yep.
I did lose a little bit of time to the clip, but it's fine. Now we're going to a planet which I'm still bad at. $31, 33.5. This is a sub 40 pace, I think. So he says that. Oh god! I can't stand that guy, I had to kill him. I had no choice. Well, I did have a choice, really. Oh my! I hate the skip. Also, I want to tell you something, mine. I mean, you actually appear in Square Eye Jack's Spyro 3 review. And when I saw it, I was like, oh my god, Armin's in this video! That was pretty cool, seeing you in his video. That was easy with the rolling down the stage shot. I still died in this PB. Yep. I sent you a whisper, but you obviously missed it. I sent you that. I think I sent you that whisper right after I got timed out in Scrub Lord's stupid casual playthrough. Of Rat 3. No, Rat. Yeah, Rat 3. Yeah, I am being serious. Just watch like the first. Just watch the first 2 minutes of the video. The joys of being on PS2. Okay, so he was making fun of people who were asking him to review Ratchet Clank, and one of your comments appeared. 35, 36.5. I'm so far ahead of my PB. Now the only decent thing about my PB, or one of the decent things about my PB, is I only died once in Belden. So let's try and die 0 times in Berudin. Well, I died, but at least that was the least awful death that could have happened to me here. Okay, I need the rhino. Actually, I don't think I need to buy ammo, but I did anyway. Oh god, I messed up Speedy A's royally. I can still save time compared to my PB. Never mind! I'm not gonna try the dumb thing I tried last time. I'm just gonna YOLO it. Oh god, that's an issue! Oh, come on! They deactivate your wrench so that you can't do a high jump just for safety? Please, please, no! I only died once here in my PB. Good lord. Please! Ugh! Okay, I can still SI up this wall. No, I can't! No, mind, I'm not going for the easier Velden. Shut up. Ugh, why am I so bad? I might not even beat my PB if I fell this much on Velden. I mean, we can definitely rip the sub 40. Are you kidding me? That feeling when Ratchet tries to stupidly, when Ratchet decides to side flip while you're SIing. Hi there, Tarnawina. Ugh. This is ridiculous, actually. And then I bonk. Why wouldn't he glide? I pushed the glide button. Oh. I was getting scared. I was doing that in the wrong position. Okay. Here we go! Oh, I could have recovered that! But no! I've lost like 5 minutes here, maybe? Why? Why, Wrench? Why? I was trying to save myself, but instead of saving myself, I killed myself. That feeling. Oh my god, I just want to quit, but I'm not because I can easily PB, easily. Even if I am losing a million years at the moment. It's about time! Rack 1 is better than Rack 1. Oh god, they are shooting me! If they shoot me, this run's over. Well, it's not over, but I'm gonna scream. And hi there, Six Rock Fire. Oh god. Okay, save myself. Snow Kappa is so much better than Kappa Claws TBH. Okay, head for the button. 45-14. Oh my god. That run, for the most part, for my standards, was a massive improvement over my first run. But that Veldin, jeez, that Veldin, so horrible. Sub 40 next.